headphone-less.com. This little gadget will allow you to broadcast any sounds or streaming media from your iPhone through your car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input, or even any wire at all. Let me show you how it's done. You simply set your preset on your car radio to match the setting on the transmitter. So we'll turn on the car radio. And plug this device into your phone. Right now you can hear that there's a lot of noise. Select the media that you want to listen to.
Later, you're going to hear from a guy launching a potential political career. Do you really think that this country is going to elect a black guy from the south side of Chicago with a funny name to be president of the United States?
Resuming episode.
California. I love karaoke, and the last bill I'll read is...
You can hear that the podcast is actually coming through the car speakers loud and clear without any sort of static or distortion.
This morning for the first time, I just adopted a rescue puppy about 6 weeks ago. She's 5 months old.
Oh, cool.
Well, I woke up and she's never pooped.
Resuming episode.
I'm gonna test the sky.
But first, the Russian President Vladimir Putin has strongly defended...
You can also use it to listen to music. This will work for Pandora, iHeartRadio, or Spotify. We'll use